Fellow Facebook marketers, do I have something exciting to show you today? Now, I'm going to introduce to you the Social Marketing Suite. This was a tool that we built for our own use that we've been running behind the scenes inside of our Facebook campaigns. Now, before I show you this tool and how simple this is, simple drag and drop technology, and by the way, completely mobile responsive, I want to put a disclaimer in there. This tool is 100% compliant with Facebook. We actually had to get this application approved ahead of time, which means you are okay to use it and we're not going anywhere. It's not going to be shut down. This is not one of those extractors. This has nothing to do with UIDs, nothing of the sort. 100% compliant. Now, first, before I show you the tool, I'm going to go ahead and show you the results of what this tool can do. So if I click on this tab here, you will see that I have opened up Facebook. And this is just one of my many fan pages. And on this fan page, you will see that I've got this sales page. I've got a very captivating headline. I've got a video below that headline, and this video is actually being hosted on YouTube. I've got calls to actions below the headline. And then this here, these are all images that we just dropped in. A lot of these images came right off the sales page. And so if we come down to the bottom, you will see that we've got another call to action. And that's about it. Now, this page just took me a couple minutes to create and actually drop right here inside of Facebook. And this page also went on to do thousands of dollars in revenue. Now, here's the strategy. Now, what we did was we set up those right side ads that you guys are used to seeing, and we ran some newsfeed ads. But instead of redirecting that traffic outside of Facebook, we kept them inside of Facebook, and we have them going to our fan page. And what we have found is that Facebook will reduce your cost per click when you keep that traffic inside your fan page. We've proven this over and over. So now I'm going to show you how you can very easily create a page just like this that's completely mobile friendly, and you can do it in minutes without knowing any code, without installing any plugins, and without messing with any software. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in to the Social Marketing Suite, and you see that the back end is now open. I am on my dashboard. Now, I'm not in WordPress or anything else. I did all of this from this URL. You're going to be able to do the same exact thing. On my dashboard, I have two campaigns. The first one, which is no longer active, and then we have this campaign right here. Now, this is kind of an offline campaign. Basically, I'm working with the church, and we are selling t-shirts for this little boy, and we're trying to raise enough money so that he can have this experimental surgery, and basically we're trying to save our life. So you can even use this campaign for offline marketing. So not only CPA offers, affiliate offers, your own products, but yes, you can use it for offline marketing as well. Now we'll come back to the dashboard in a minute, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to create a campaign. So now you see that we are on the campaign window, and the one that I want you to pay special attention to is this gray box right here that says basic templates. You will receive 17 templates with the Social Marketing Suite. Now let me explain this. Just because you are seeing these templates here on the screen does not mean that that is the end result. That just gives you somewhere to start with, or you can come over here and you can simply start from a blank canvas and you can build your own template. Now I have a little secret for you. I don't have a creative bone in my body. I always need somewhere to start, and maybe that's you too. And that's why we have designed these templates, to give you somewhere to start. Okay, so I'm going to show you a preview of each one of these templates so that you can see the power behind the Social Marketing Suite. So if you want to know what these pages look like, you can go ahead and click them, and this light box opens up and it shows you exactly what the page looks like. Now remember, these are templates. This gives you the starting point. So you might choose this template, but you want to switch out this header, you can do it. Okay, this serves as a pre-sale page. And then this page here, we see this quite a bit for webinar replays. So yes, now you can take your traffic, redirect them to your fan page, and have a webinar replay right there inside your fan page. Or it could be a pre-sale video, whatever you want to do. Remember, it's a template. We've also added the ability for you to create lead capture pages right there inside your Facebook fan page. This is how the lead capture pages look. And guess what? The social marketing suite will even capture your leads for you right inside the software. Here's another replay page. This one is specifically for webinar replays. Some of the biggest marketers in the world use a simple layout just like this, and it converts like crazy. This one here serves as another pre-sale page, but we have a call to action. You can see that we have comments down below. I'm going to show you how easily you can do all of this, everything you're seeing here on the screen. Here's another lead capture page. This is kind of the new style lead capture page. Here's a blue lead capture page, but if we want to change that, remember, we can change everything. Here's a more e-commerce look. So if you're selling products, you have multiple products inside your fan pages, yes, you can do that. Can you switch these icons to t-shirts? Sure you can. There's a little hint for you. Here is our book template, okay? But remember, that can be anything we want it to. T-shirts. More e-commerce. This here is like for cell phones, right? I've actually seen fan pages laid out like this, but they probably pay a lot of money to get those pages developed, and you now know the secret. You have this special drag and drop tool that will create these pages on the fly. Here's a Christmas template. Here is a beautiful template for flowers, but again, this can be anything. I think we'll demonstrate with this template here. And then we have some thank you pages. Thank you so much for signing up. Here's a thank you page with a video in it. And then here is a more common thank you page. And this is one where you could go and give them a gift. And yes, you could even put a banner at the bottom saying, hey, check out this special offer, and you can make some money from your thank you pages. But that is a whole nother video altogether. So now that you've seen what the templates look like, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to create our first campaign. So I'll go ahead and call this Chad's. All right, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go ahead and grab this cell phone template right here, and I'm going to say continue. But remember, I could also start from a blank canvas if I choose to do so. I'm going to go ahead and click that button, and now you see that we've opened up to this simple little interface. Now, don't get intimidated. I'm going to show you exactly what this is doing. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and click on this other tab here, and I'm going to click preview so that you can see what the actual page looks like inside of Facebook. And here we go. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how easily we can create pages just like you're seeing here. So I'm going to come back over to this page, and I have this beautiful canvas. Now, these are called blocks. And if you look over here on the left-hand side, you see that we have available blocks. We have headers, banners, product images. We can bring in videos, embedded videos, YouTube videos. We have text blocks. If you have raw HTML from another page, yes, you could drop in an HTML block. Spacing, footers, everything you need is right here. Think about what a sales page consists of. It consists of images, headlines, buttons, videos, Facebook comments. Well, you can do all of that with the social marketing suite. So if I want to add a header, check this out. I simply drag this block over here, and now I have a header. And I can go ahead and type in my text here. I can choose the background color behind the header. And this is really cool. I can also add animation to the header, to my images, to pretty much anything you see here on the page. So if I want to run my mouse over this phone and I want it to shake or I want it to pulse, well, you can do that with the social marketing suite. Now, I'm going to go ahead and delete this box because right now it's not really necessary. But if I open up each one of these blocks, you can see that there is an image that has already been loaded. And if I want to hyperlink this image, then I could go ahead and put in my link right here. And then I can go ahead and choose my background. I could select my animation if I choose to. And then if I want to put Facebook comments below this banner here, you can come over here and click this little box, and that's it. Now you have enabled your Facebook comments. But I'm going to go ahead and leave that alone for now. And then if you look here, you see that we have 1, 2, 3 product images. So if I come over here, I can open these up. I got 1 product image, 2 product image, 3 product image. And I can come over here and I can change the name of each one of these products. Okay, this little WYSIWYG editor opens up. I can change the description. So if I want to make this $42,000, I can do that. If I want to add a little label over the phone, I can come over here and I can choose these little labels. Okay, right now I'm going to set it for none, but you can see how easily we can do that. And then we can come down here and we can add a buy button below each one of these phones. And that's all I'd have to do is click this little icon here, and then I can simply type in the link where the button will redirect to. Once again, I can add animation effects. I can put Facebook comments below these images, and that's how easily this works. I'm going to go ahead and close these so that you can see the rest of the template. Now I have a spacing block, and that spacing block consists of 8 pixels. Here's another spacing block, but maybe we don't need this one, so let's go ahead and remove it. Then I have 3 more product images. I got some more spacing blocks, and then I have images below that. Guys, this really is that easy, but here's where the real magic comes in. Let's say, for instance, that we want this product image to be down here. Well, check this out. We can simply drag and drop these wherever we want. We don't have to know any code. We don't have to know any WordPress. We don't have to know anything. It really is that simple. And if we want to change a template, we click this button here, and now we can choose a different template. So let's go ahead and choose our lead capture page, and we'll come down here, we'll click continue, and now we have our lead capture page template, and it is laid out the same exact way. So if I click preview, you will see here is what the template looks like. Now that I am in preview mode, I can also make changes right here. So if I want to change that headline, I could go ahead and change it right here. And I can enable Facebook comments, choose animations, everything that you are seeing. Okay, very easy, but I'm gonna go ahead and go back. We're gonna go back to the blocks, and now I'm gonna show you the autoresponder. All you need to do is type in your autoresponder code here, and then you have this little short code, and you put that wherever you want this form to appear. It really does not get any easier than this. So you simply move your blocks wherever you want them. And also, here's something else you're gonna love. Let's say that we wanna have 2 text blocks side by side. So we want this one right next to this one. Well, here's what we can do with this interactive template. We can go ahead and shrink this block here, and now you see that this block has taken its place. Okay, so we move these blocks around, we shrink them, we increase the size, and then when we're ready, we come over here, we click this save button, and now you see that the application has saved our template. And by the way, do you see these 2 buttons right here? Well, let's say that you have a friend that also has the social marketing suite. And so you both have different templates inside your suite. But he sees the sales page and he says, "Wow, how did you make this sales page, Chad?" Well, I can say, no problem. I'm using the social marketing suite, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to export the settings for you, these settings right here, and now your friend can simply import in the settings himself. We have thought of everything to make the social marketing suite the most effective tool that you guys can use for Facebook. Now it's time for us to publish the page to our actual Facebook fan page. Well, I got good news for you. You can publish this on up to 25 different fan pages that you own. And all you have to do is come over here and click the publish button. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this button here, and I'm going to say install on Facebook. And now here are my 25 different fan pages that I can choose from. Now I can choose any one of these fan pages. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one for right now, and I've got more good news for you. You can also install this on up to 4 tabs on this one fan page. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this down here, and it's going to ask me which one of these tabs do you want to install it in. I'm going to go ahead and install it on number 3. And all I need to do is click the install button and check this out. I now have this magic URL. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this URL. I'm going to open this up in another tab, and you are going to see what this page looks like inside of my fan page. So there it is. Now obviously my text blocks are not in the right order because we were moving and switching things back and forth, but that gives you an idea of exactly what you can do with this software. Now I'm going to come back over here to my dashboard, and you see that we have my new campaign. And from here, I can always come over here and publish this campaign on any one of my fan pages. So now I can take the campaign I just created and I can go and put it on this fan page by following the same exact process. Obviously, I have my campaign set to active, but I could very easily come over here and edit the existing campaign. I can switch it to inactive. I can make changes to it. Everything you need to do is right here inside the Social Marketing Suite. If you want to change the background of your page, you can come over here. You can choose a gradient, you can choose a solid, or you can even have an image inside your background. We can come over here and we can unpublish it if we choose to do so. But remember also what I said about the Social Marketing Suite will also capture your subscribers for you right here inside the software. And what you would do is you would come over here and you would click on this button that says My Subscribers, and this is where your subscribers would be. Everything is here that you need, but we've also got one more thing to show you. I'm going to come back into my campaign. I'm going to edit it, and this time, let's say that I have my campaign loaded inside of my fan page, but it is doing so very well that I would also like to go and load this page on one of my sites. And we can do that by coming over here and clicking Download as HTML. This will give you code that you can load up into your website. You can also come over here and generate a script that is an iframe that you could also use for your website, and you could very easily come over here and tweet your page on Twitter. So there you have it. That is the Social Marketing Suite. Remember, it comes with 17 custom design templates, including lead capture pages, thank you pages, pre-sales, sales pages. You can install that on up to 25 different fan pages. Each one of those fan pages you can install on 4 different tabs. Remember, it's completely mobile responsive, simple drag and drop. You have the ability to store your subscribers right there in the software. You can download it as an HTML. We have a simple iframe script for your site as well. And you have animations inside each and every one of your fan pages. And guys, that is just the summarized version of everything that this software will do. We offer top-notch support. Anytime you need help, you can come over here and click this support tab. It will open up right to our support desk. Also, we have training videos to help you become an expert with the Social Marketing Suite. Guys, you're absolutely going to love this tool. I encourage you to go through the rest of this page, check out some of the benefits and the features that I was not able to cover in this video. And I want to wish you all the best with your Facebook marketing. And when you're ready, just scroll down to the bottom of the page, hit that button. You will receive instant access to the Social Marketing Suite, and you too can be making pages just like this in minutes without any code, any plugin, and any software. The Social Marketing Suite is all you need to get your campaigns up and running in minutes. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I want to wish you all the best. We asked our customers what they thought of the Social Marketing Suite, and the proof is in the pudding. This software rocks. Vass says this software rocks. I can't wait to see how high I get my conversions to go with this one. Super easy, super fast, and no installation required. I love it. Well done, Karthik. Marketing with Facebook easy. I love the drag and drop feature on the templates. If you don't want to use a template, you just build your own custom page with the same drag and drop feature. You make marketing with Facebook easy. Great job, Karthik. Love the templates. Bob says, well, no kidding. Definitely drag and drop and mobile friendly. Love the templates as well. Keep them coming, guys. Top-notch quality. Ian says, reviewing this very good, easy-to-use product as always. Top-notch quality from a great software developer. Few campaigns in no time. Craig goes on to say, this is a great software, very easy to use and looks great. I was able to set up a few campaigns in no time. Several designs already made that can be easily customized or start from scratch with an easy to use drag and drop platform. It works on Mac or PC. Way to build something truthfully useful. My go-to tool for Facebook. Scott says, what a quality user interface. Smooth and clear understanding, easy to use. Therefore, it will become my go-to tool for Facebook. Thank you. Thanks for listening to my suggestions. That tells me you are in it for the long haul and support. And then, this was the biggest surprise of all. One of our affiliates who was actually using this software to set up a campaign to go out there and promote the social marketing suite sent me a Skype message that said, this is a stupid easy tool. And you can see at 7:06 p.m. tonight, he says, hey, I figured most of this stuff out. I already did my review. Here is the interview page. That's this page over here. This is a stupid easy tool. People are going to love it. And then I said to him, maybe I can show this page in the first video. He goes on to say, sure, if you want to. I love this tool. I wonder how many tabs I can do. And we know the answer is 4. So when you're ready, scroll to the bottom, look for the Buy It Now button. It is currently priced at $17, but this promotion will not last long. Thanks again. And I want to wish you all the best.